How to delete all posts from Facebook page at once. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete all posts from Facebook page at once. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure to sign into your account and also select your Facebook page from here. After that, you want to click on the professional dashboard option from the left hand side panel. Now you want to select the Meta Business Suite option. Once you click on this option, another tab is going to open up and now your Meta Business Suite will be displayed. Here on the left hand side panel, you have different options. Select the one that says content. Now all of the content of your page is going to be shown over here. All you want to do is select the contents that you want to delete. For that, from this drop down, you can select the type of post you want. So you can select photos, videos, and reels. Then you want to select the date. For that, you want to click on this drop down. Now, since you want to delete all the posts from your Facebook page, you want to select lifetime. Now, a lifetime of your post is going to be shown over here. You simply want to select all of these posts. So since there is no select all button, you will have to manually select all of that. Now you want to click on these three dots. Here, you will have the option of delete post. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, a pop-up is going to appear asking you if you want to delete all of these items permanently. Go ahead and click on the delete option. After you do that, all the posts from your Facebook page will be deleted at once. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.